A lovely day for a hike.
Where are you off to?
Alport Castle.
How far are you going?
I don't know. Just winging it.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Oh my god.
Was that really bad?
Funny. Look at the size of this waterfall. Oh, it's actually quite small. Finally off the res path. This camera's not doing justice to how steep this is it?
No.
It's gonna get steep! Bloody Nora. Sun. Nearly there. Comes a big ass drop. Yeah, you go round there, drop down where they all up. Down where the people are. Fucking hell! Shit! Whoa! Oh! Oh, you couldn't have timed that any better. It's a bit loose. Not on about the rocks. Shout. Hey! Hello! I've got a micro penis! Oh, looks nice sunset going down there. 4 miles and then Curry. Curry! We're in the woods.
Take me in the woods.
9 mile.
Yeah.
Done.
Done.
Finito.